Ruitool Drill Depth Stop for drill bits. The drill bit limit ring set can accurately control the drilling depth without damaging the drill bit with a nylon inner ring that is easy to lock and will not loosen, effectively avoiding wear and tear on the locking part of the drill bit, making these drill depth limiting rings perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts to use in production or repetitive drilling projects. The inner diameter of the two installed drill depth stops can be adjusted to precisely apply drills of different sizes. The Infinity Fluting Jig Master Package includes everything you need to make fluted moldings in both straight and arch stock. This exclusive package includes a fluting jig that can be mounted to any handheld router and works with material up to 16 inches wide. A set of 3 round nose router bits with half-inch shanks allows you to make quarter, half, and 3/4 inch flutes, and the included base blade alignment kit ensures you get perfect results every time you mount this jig to your router. Both edges of the jig's guide wings have mounting location for the included guide bearings, ensuring smooth, stable, and accurate routing. Our jig could be configured to have 4 bearing guides for routing straight stock and 3 bearing guides for routing along curves to ensure consistent results. The base blade is engraved with the center line. This allows you to mark the center of your flutes. Position the jig by aligning the marks, then slide the guide wings into place and lock them down with the comfortable star knobs. Because no tools are required to make adjustments, you can get even the biggest jobs done quickly. The Infinity Fluting Jig can also be used with straight router bits to produce grooves, and with V-groove ovalo and T-slot router bits just to name a few, creating countless design possibilities. Trend Belfast Sink Jig. For routing recesses into worktops for single or double Belfast sinks, it is suitable for ceramic sinks up to 1050 mm long and from 440 mm to 515 mm wide. It enables accurate routing of the drip channel groove on the underside of the worktop and around the outside of the sink recess. Lionz multifunction is an essential tool for anyone. It can be used as a miter saw protractor as well as a spirit level, angle finder, ruler for measuring, marking, and as a drawing compass. Lionz miter saw protractor is made of high-quality plastic, which has good corrosion resistance and wear resistance, and prolongs the service life. In addition, its size and weight make it easy to carry and store. Lionz protractor angle finder effectively reduce your working time. It has 2 laser engraved scales to directly transmit your working angle to the miter saw to achieve precise miter and single cuts. Trend Hinge Skeleton. A 2-part adjustable block portable template set designed for recessing hinges in wooden doors and frames with a router. It is easy to use with minimal setup time, and it completes the job both accurately and quickly. It is suitable for use on site and in joinery shops to increase productivity with excellent results. Fully adjustable apertures for fire door requirements and renovation work. An idea for fitting a new door in an old frame with no need for marking out in the conventional way. It is quick and simple to set up as the hinge is used as the pattern. The SAND-IT from Milescraft is the compact, quick, and convenient sanding solution for all small projects. The unique patented multi-sided design gives you the ability to sand multiple surfaces using the same sanding block. Each side of the SAND-IT has a different shape, perfect for all projects. The sanding block offers 3 different rounded edges, a concave profile, a flat profile, and a tight edge that gets into the corners for detailed radius work. 2 small rounded edges allow you to get it into tight areas and around the edges of routed boards. An edge with a larger radius speeds up bigger projects using a broader curve that covers more ground for sanding rods, spindles, holes, and more. The concave face cradles the round edge of your piece and quickly moves it out. The flat surface is great for sanding pocket hole plugs, wood plugs, or removing any rough surface. Use the right edge to squeeze into the nooks and crannies to finish off your sanding. The SAND-IT is also highly adaptable and quick to modify. It is compatible with any quarter sheet of sandpaper. Change grip from coarse to fine in seconds with a quick snap in the sand. It lasts from start to finish as you perfect your project. VaryAngle clamping square. The Woodpeckers' new VaryAngle clamping fixtures take the great features of our famous clamping squares and add the flexibility to clamp angles other than 90. We created 3 different angle ranges and 2 different sizes of the VaryAngle to give you a full clamping range from 22.5 to 180. Now you can tackle any angle joinery project. Quick Click Dust Collection Separator. Designed to efficiently separate dust, debris, and liquids from an airstream and collect the material in a general-purpose recovery bin, reducing the materials which reach the vacuum. Ideal for use in a broad range of applications including woodworking, auto body detail shops, commercial painters, sheetrock installation and repair, remodelers, construction cleanup contractors, stone countertop production shops, hardwood floor refinishers, liquid capture, gardening, and slurry collection. The precision miter trimmer eliminates the frustration of trying to fine-tune the length of straight and mitered workpieces at the miter saw or table saw, and has been the secret weapon of picture framers for decades. Weighing in at a hefty 38 pounds and made of solid cast iron, the miter trimmer allows you to effortlessly produce whisper-thin shavings and accurately fine-tune and adjust the fit of workpiece. It also leaves a beautiful smooth cut, ready for glue or finish. The 1/4-inch thick high-carbon steel blades come razor sharp and are ready for use. Set at a strong 45-degree shear angle, the knives are capable of fine-tuning joints and aggressively removing stock. The long cast iron handle provides outstanding leverage and control, while the rack and pinion gear drive provides smooth and reliable operation. The handle attaches to the body with a sliding dovetail design that allows easy tool-free installation and removal. Both left and right fences are adjustable and have positive stops at 45 and 90 degrees. Each can also be easily adjusted to any angle in between, whether you work with hardwoods or softwoods and build picture frames, boxes, or fine furniture. The precision miter trimmer will be a welcome addition to any shop. Jalan Adjustable Corner Clamp. Jalan Upgrade Angle Clip, 7 adjustable angles, using precision laser engraving to ensure the accuracy of the angle for a variety of right angle sizes, perfect for woodworkers, carpenters, welders, and DIY enthusiasts. This right angle clamp is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel, and is sturdy and durable, long service life. The surface is treated with red oxide, making it rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, not easy to fade, and can be used for welding and other tasks. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.